so I won't review much. I will not be reviewing much. So here I said send me your login details for these platforms. Okay, so she has Amazon KDP account, she has Seller. So I thought I'm going to use it on her behalf. Okay, so I thought that if I later run ads there and make money, we are going to share it 80-20. I will take 80 both for ads and other things. I'll pay you 20% on each withdrawal. Okay, so I was like, agreed, or you have better request. She said maybe 30% is okay by me. Can you see that? So there's another discussion I would like to show us in this message. I think it was few days later when I showed her how much that account made, because I started using the account this month, that is July, I think second week or so. Yeah, second week. Don't worry, let me go down and show. So this is 18th of July. I think today is 26th of July. So this was what was the the account. Then like this account was zero before, zero. So I showed that. She was like, congratulations, ma'am. I thought that the boost I published recently, so I thought that let her not kind of share the screenshot with anyone. She said yes, and she was like, more win, mama, deals are sweet, you can imagine. So I was like, if the account reaches $500 this month, maybe small money you will get to deals are sweet. So imagine, she just because she owns an account, imagine I made $500 from this account, and she'll be getting uh, um 30%, and 30% is about how much? Is it not about $150? 30% isn't about $150. Now calculate $150 to naira or to your country's currency, then you will know that it's more than, if it's not close to 300, or if it's not close to 250 plus or more. Okay, it's close to 250,000 plus or more. That is what she'll be getting just for not doing anything with her account. Just for not doing anything with her account. So you see, I'm not she said let her ask AI. She was even saying 40%. Me, I didn't even talk to her. You can imagine. She was saying 30%. Me, I just like, I said not to look for someone I'll do my deal with. I have AdSense account I'm not using safe. So now let me show you this particular account. We saw this $125, so that we see how much that is there today. Today being 26th of July. So here is the account. Let me refresh. Damn. So you see what I am saying. Before it was 60 orders, now 61. Are you saying? And in that previous message I had with my sister, you saw their mom there. So as you can see, let's look at yesterday, what I made from this account yesterday. Okay, this is for the entire month. I think I started on second week, so this was what I made from this account with just 3 books. I only published 3 books on this account. I would have gone down to show the books, but no. So this is today. What is the time? This is still 11:25. Some days I make about 30 in a day with this account. So I'm busy, and I hope to publish more books on this account. If I'm able to publish up to 20 books or 30 books, I'm likely to be making more than I don't even know. Let's get to the end of the month. Let me see how much this account can be able to make end of the month. If this account hit 500 does, that's $500 end of the month. It's possible if I increase the number of books I publish, I'm likely to make more. So if you want to learn on how this works, if you want to learn on how this, what I'm showing you is real result. Okay, it's not some people say they create that they have fake screenshot. Me, I don't even know apps they use in that. I don't know apps they use in that, but it's normal for someone to feel like, okay, it's fake, you know. But if you have not been somewhere, you will not understand. I just hope you get to that place where you understand that all these things is possible. Even though I see someone post 10,000 Amazon whatever, this is my sister's account, I have my own personal account. If someone posts making up to $10,000 from Amazon account, I will not doubt it because I have been there. You get, I understand the game. So it's better you don't, because assuming my sister learned from the best person or learned what works, she wouldn't have given up on Amazon KDP account. And I know with what she had seen I have done with this account, in the future she's likely want to venture into it or do it. Okay, she's likely. So another thing is you learning from someone who would give you the exact strategy to succeed in what works. Every business has what works and what does not work, so you have to learn what works and you stay on top of the game. In that way you can succeed. All right, thank you. So if you are interested in learning what works, okay, how people make this money with Amazon KDP, pause and pause these and read them one after another. Okay, I'm offering you something that's worth more than $1,000. So this is what I'm offering you. So if you are interested, you can pay. Use this WhatsApp number to send me a message. All right, see you.